Hi everyone, welcome to Off Shelf Books. I want to just do a quick look at a book that I got many years ago. I don't even know if it's even still around. It is called the Manga Bible, and I don't even know why I got this book, to be honest. I think at one point I was quite interested. I think this book came out in, let's take a quick look here. I think it came out to, 2007. And so that was the sort of era when manga in the form of the Bible was starting to explode. I think you saw multiple variations of manga done for the Bible. And as you know, I've been exploring the Manga Bible series, which that's been the only, I think, comprehensive one to date. And so I think I was just on this manga craze, to be honest, and came across this one. And right off the bat, it is, you can tell it's quite dated. Look at this font. Oh my goodness, this is yeah, I don't even know what to say, to be honest. And it looks like this is a very thin book, very thin. So you're not really going to get much content out of this. It clearly is only going to focus on the New Testament. A world in turmoil, corrupt leaders and crazed prophets. One day a stranger appeared. He cast out demons and raised the sick from their deathbeds. He led his people into the light, clearly talking about Jesus. The extras, an author interview, sketches gallery, and explain the Bible. This one is a little bit different than most manga ones, both in art style and just this is purely done in black and white. There's no color in this whatsoever. The concept and art by Siku and script by Akin Siku. I don't think I'm doing a great job pronouncing those names. So one did the concept of art and one did the script. Yes, they clearly tell you read this first. The Manga Bible NT is an adaptation of the New Testament of the Holy Bible. Like a lot of these manga adaptations, that's clearly, they always have to say that. There's just no way around it. You can't have manga pure and literal word for word. It would just be way too thick. It tells the story of Jesus' life as a man living among us and the formation and adventures of the first ever church in graphic novel form. It does not claim to tell all the stories or cover all the teaching of the New Testament. Obviously, like a book this thin, I mean, yeah. The creators and publishers hope that the Manga Bible will inspire you to read more of the full text Bible, and that's what they all preach, that, and that's what I would preach too. This is not a Bible replacement by any sense. So it's to help you make the link between the Manga Bible and the original scriptures. We have provided small want to know more captions. So this is what they're talking about here, want to know more. And they'll give you a reference, Luke 10:25-37. So let's quickly jump in here. Yeah, as you can tell, a very different art style here. Right away, it's just starting in the Gospels, Bethlehem, just over 2,000 years ago. Very unique art style. I don't even know how to explain it, to be honest. It's just, it looks very, I don't know what to say, to be honest. It just looks very dark. Yeah, there's not much detail going on here. It's unique. I think that's what I'll leave it at that. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. This may not be everyone's cup of tea, but it's definitely much different than any of the manga ones I've come across. Text is very small. There's not much text going on here, and there's no page numbers. Interesting that they didn't add any page numbers, but this is a book that can be done very, very fast. I don't know if I'd recommend this, to be honest. I got this a long time ago. Again, I was just on this manga craze, and looking back at this, I don't know if this would have been the one I would go to. I'm not sure what the practicality of this would be useful for. In terms of violence and gore, I mean, you have, I think this is when John the Baptist gets beheaded, so clearly they're not going to show that. They'll show blood, which in black and white would just be black, so I don't think it's too graphic. So I mean, clearly kids can read this. I'm not sure if I would give it a second chance if I'd buy this, but I'm clearly just showing this for you guys to kind of make your own decision if this is something that you'd be interested in. But it definitely has a little charm to this. This could be a style that people would like. From a composition standpoint, it is very cramped. I know I have to give grace in this because I think drawing every panel for every or most of the New Testament, that's no easy task. As we saw in the Manga Bible series, it took multiple years just to complete that canon, and yet even then, all the manga Bibles are just not going to get to every story. But yeah, so we're at the end here, 65 pages. So I think this was these are the two guys that did the script writing and drawings, and so this is the interview that they're talking about. Quite an extensive interview here, and some of the sketches as they promised as part of the extras. Anyways, this was just a quick little look. Just wanted to quickly show you inside of this book. I don't think I'd recommend this one. Again, I was much younger when I got this. I think I just wanted to get my hands on anything that was in the form of manga. So I think there's much better options out there. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick inside look of the Manga Bible.